The Secret Life of a Rice Weevil. One morning, Leah was helping her mother clean the kitchen when she noticed tiny insects crawling inside a container of rice. Mom, what are these? She asked. Her mother smiled and replied, they are rice weevils. Although they are very small, they have a fascinating life cycle. A few days later, Ria searched for more information. She discovered that a female rice weevil lays her egg inside a single grain of rice. She makes a tiny hole in the grain, places one egg inside, and then seals the opening. From the outside, the rice grain looks perfectly normal. After a few days, the egg hatches into a larva. The larva stays hidden inside the grain and feeds on the rice. Where it is safe from predators, as it grows, it passes through several stages before changing into a pupa. Inside the grain, the pupa slowly transforms into an adult rice weevil. When the transformation is complete, the adult chews its way out of the grain, leaving a small round hole behind. It then surges from more grains, mates, and life cycle begins again. Ria was amazed. She had never imagined that an entire insect could grow and develop inside a single grain of rice. She also learned that the storing rice in clean, airtight container and keeping the storage area dry can help prevent the rice weevil from multiplying. That day, Ria realized that even the tiniest creatures have remarkable survival strategies. Nature is full of hidden wonders, and every living organism has its own unique journey.